Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious scrambled eggs without any milk, using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 large eggs per person. Grab a good non-stick pan and a rubber spatula. Crack your eggs into a bowl and whisk them really well until the yolks and whites are fully combined and slightly frothy. This ensures a consistent texture. Now, let's get cooking. Place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add about 1 tablespoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, pour in your whisked eggs. Let them sit for a few seconds, then begin to gently push and fold the eggs with your spatula. Keep stirring slowly to create soft, fluffy curds. The key to perfect scrambled eggs is knowing when to stop cooking. Continue to gently stir until the eggs are mostly set but still look slightly moist and glossy. They will continue to cook a little after you remove them from the heat. Take them off the burner just before they reach your desired firmness. Finally, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For the best experience, serve your scrambled eggs immediately after cooking. This ensures they retain their wonderful, creamy texture. Remember, overcooking is the enemy of good scrambled eggs, as it can make them dry and rubbery. With this easy method, you'll consistently achieve fluffy, flavorful eggs every time. Enjoy your simple yet delicious breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.